Kasi I got this the other day pa dun sa office. Kung saan kami testing dito sa Taiwan. And malamig. Pero, you know, for me, tasting the local food is what is important in traveling. So, let's try this Oreo. I forgot. Pero parang siyang pancake tapos may filling. So, sinerve ko sa, oh, ang cute! Yun pala talaga. Sinerve to as snacks sa office, pero daming pagkain doon. Hindi ko nakain, so nag-sharon ako. Sarap. Ito Oreo. The other one is Oreo. Ito. Nakalagay. Ang sarap niya. So, parang siyang pancake. Pero it's stuffed. Should I do this? I think kailangan mo ng special molder for this. So, kaya I can fill it in with something. So, may press doon sa my bed side table and then, ayun. Open siya pusa. Actually, pagdating na namin, open pagdating mo ng key, dito, nag-open siya, biglang magugulat ka. So, syempre, kasi first time pa. So, we are in Taichung. It's a city in Taiwan. Pero parang malayo siya sa airport. So, parang 2 hours travel. With a private car, kasi sinundo kami. I don't know kung mag-train, kung how many hours. Our hosts are very generous. So each of us got our own room. And we have a parang Main Street view. Sabi ng isang boss ko, ata to? Suite is in the Lin Hotel. Ayun. We are checking out this morning. So, ngayon lang din naman ang free time namin. Other bosses already are going to the airport for their flight in a while. Pero, since it's our day off. And we are really not required to go to work on our days off. Except for the bosses, because, you know, bosses are in managerial positions are not boxed in a schedule na lang, with a specific day off. And the black coffee. It's perfect. Kasi, it's without sugar. So, I will eat the Oreo. Meron pang buffet breakfast later. Ang cute talaga. So, pero kung ako nagluto nito, mauusi ako kasi may mga, mga sobra-sobra. Pero, sometimes talaga tayo lang naman ang nagiging perfectionist, pero okay naman yung gawa na natin. Although, okay lang din naman yung discipline na doing things na perfectly the way you want it. Pero, yun. It's not necessary that you do everything perfectly. Anyway, basta, masarap. If ever I got the chance to bring my family here, I'll definitely want them to try this. I'll ask pala where they bought this. May pa akong dala kanina. Ay, kagabi. There. So, it's a Laya burger. Pero, lasag. You also have this in Kit Kat filling. But this one is not, I cannot really read it, pero maybe I'll try later. Mabubusog na ako. May buffet breakfast pa dito sa hotel, and yesterday, I wasn't able to eat a bit of the buffet breakfast because I was so excited maybe to jog around the area. So, I woke up very early despite sleeping very late. So, today, it's a waste if I could not eat at the buffet breakfast because they said it was good. And para din sa akin, importante na sa pag nag-hotel ka, just try the buffet breakfast. Eh, ano bang bago? Mahilig naman kasi ako sa pagkain. So, good morning! Mag-ano na ako mamaya. Hopefully, makapag-walking pa tayo dun sa park na malapit dito. It's a very nice park. I'll upload the video din kung saan ako nag-jog yesterday. Maganda siya. And malapit lang. 350 meters away from the hotel. Good morning! Bye-bye!